Introducing Neon Swim, the revolutionary app designed for swim coaches who demand more. In this video, we'll guide you through creating your first workout in Neon Swim, showcasing how simplicity meets unparalleled functionality. On the homepage of Neon Swim, you'll find a snapshot of your day, displaying the number of workouts you've written that are happening today, as well as the number of neon pace clocks detected nearby. Let's get started by writing our first workout. Open the side menu by tapping the menu button in the top left or swiping from the left edge of the screen. Next, tap the plus button in the upper right to add your first workout. Let's give it a name and date. We'll leave the group and subgroup fields blank for now, as those are discussed in another video. Now tap Create. Let's add our first set to the workout. Tap the workout we just created, then tap the plus button in the bottom right to add a set. We can select the number of rounds for this set and give it a name. Let's add a few lines to the set. In addition to reps, intervals, and distance, we can also specify energy systems, stroke, and the type of swimming for each line. Now that we've finished creating our set, we'll tap the Done button in the top right to add it to our workout. If we ever need to go back to modify our set, just tap the corresponding Options button. Tap the button in the bottom left to see your workout in PDF view. From here, you can email or print using the buttons on the bottom right. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with Neon Swim. Check out our other videos where we dive deeper into the app's advanced features. Happy coaching!